What's up, guys? It's LJ.
And it's Adrian.
And guess what? Today we're going to be making a DIY stuffed panda. Okay, we're going to talk about the materials. So first, Allison from home bought some stuffing. And she brought her extra dirty socks.
Yes.
I brought my socks, never been washed. Oops, they fell on the floor. Some scissors.
You need those.
Some thread.
You need both black and white.
And some needles.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we're going to cut just like the hole off, you know?
Yeah.
To make it like...
Just like a flat, like basically, like you're gonna cut this part off.
Okay, ignore the fact that it's not straight. You just make it like a little tube, like that. So now we're gonna stuff it and make the head, because we like sewed it and then we flipped it inside out. So we just sewed up like the middle, and so it's kind of giving like hourglass goat just snatched. Okay, we just did a little sew, so when we like, oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna stuff it. You ready? Boom. I'm gonna take a black sock for the details, so we're gonna make something cute.
Okay, so long story short, you're gonna wanna basically sew right here, and then you're gonna wanna flip it and sew up here. It's like a little bit of a tough process, but I know you DIYers can do it.
Today we just made little ears that we're gonna put on like right here. Wait, that's kind of cute.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll show you when his ears are on. Ready? Boom. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the ears.
When did that even happen?
And then we're gonna be putting on some legs.
So you basically wanna cut out your black sock a shape like this, and then you want to like make sure it's connected on one side, and then sew.
Yeah, basically, and stuff it. Okay, so we just put the legs on. So cute. And
But now you want to cut out the arms.
Yeah, and they're gonna go right in arm placement.
So you want to make a shape similar to this, and then you're gonna fold it over.
Yeah.
And then stuff it. Same thing you've been doing, girl.
Yo, we didn't film anything, but we just have to do that.
And you have to have one of these standing
At
photos
home.